Welcome to MVP Car Reviews, your go-to channel for in-depth car reviews, the latest automotive news and expert insights into the most exciting vehicles on the market. Before we dive into the details of the new 2026 Dodge Ram 1500, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. The 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 is here, and it brings a host of new upgrades, enhanced technology and powerful performance that make it a top contender in the full-size truck segment. Known for its durability, capability and innovation, the Ram 1500 continues to push the boundaries of what a modern pickup truck can offer. Under the hood, the 2026 Ram 1500 is expected to offer multiple powertrain options catering to different driving needs. The base model is likely to feature an updated version of the 3.6-liter Pentastar V6 engine with e-torque mild hybrid technology for improved fuel efficiency and performance. For those seeking more power, the legendary 5.7-liter Hemi V-8 with e-torque is expected to return, delivering impressive horsepower and torque with the added benefit of hybrid assist. A new 3.0-liter Hurricane twin-turbo inline-six engine could also be introduced, offering a balance of power and efficiency to replace the outgoing eco-diesel option. For performance enthusiasts, the 2026 Ram 1500 TRX could receive an even more powerful engine, possibly an upgraded version of the supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 or a new hybrid performance setup to keep up with growing electrification trends in the industry. The exterior design of the 2026 Ram 1500 showcases a more aggressive front grille, redesigned LED headlights and a sculpted hood that enhances its rugged appeal. New wheel designs and updated taillights contribute to a fresh and modern look while maintaining the bold stance that Ram trucks are known for. A variety of trims including Tradesman, Bighorn, Laramie, Rebel Limited and Limited Longhorn will continue to offer different levels of luxury and off-road capability. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Ram 1500 continues to set the benchmark for luxury and technology in the pickup truck segment. The updated infotainment system features a massive 14-inch touchscreen with the latest Uconnect software, offering seamless smartphone integration, enhanced navigation and improved voice recognition. A fully digital instrument cluster adds to the high-tech feel, while premium materials such as genuine leather, open-pore wood and aluminum accents elevate the overall experience. Comfort and convenience remain a priority, with features like ventilated and heated front and rear seats, a panoramic sunroof and an advanced climate control system. Ram also introduces a new level of driver assistance with hands-free highway driving technology, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist and a 360-degree camera system for easier maneuverability. Towing and payload capabilities have been further improved thanks to a stronger frame and advanced suspension tuning. The Ram 1500 continues to lead the class with innovative towing features, including an integrated trailer brake controller, trailer reverse guidance and an improved air suspension system that automatically adjusts ride height for better stability. Electrification is becoming a major focus in the truck industry, and the 2026 Ram 1500 is expected to offer a plug-in hybrid variant or even a fully electric version under the Ram REV lineup. This move aligns with Stellantis' strategy to expand its electrified vehicle offerings while maintaining the power and capability that Ram trucks are known for. With all these updates, the 2026 Dodge Ram 1500 remains a top choice for truck enthusiasts looking for power, technology and luxury in one package. Whether you need a workhorse for towing and hauling or a high-end pickup for daily driving, the new Ram 1500 delivers on all fronts. Thanks for watching MVP Car Reviews. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the latest car news and reviews, make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for notifications. Stay tuned for more in-depth automotive content and let us know in the comments what you think about the 2026 Dodge Ram 1500. See you in the next video.